Hi, in this video we're going to be making some thunder sound effects. So I've got a selection of cardboard boxes and we're going to try different ones. Now when you get your cardboard box, you might find one side is where you've ripped it open. Make sure you turn your cardboard box over. So we're going to play on this side. So I'm going to get a wooden spoon. I'm going to have a go at hitting it with our wooden spoon. If you want to hold two wooden spoons, you can use them. Now I don't know if you noticed then, but there's a difference in sound. We can play with the top of the spoon, or we can actually use the handle of the spoon. Actually using the side of the spoon gave us a kind of deeper sound. So that's that size cardboard box. If you've got a smaller cardboard box, like a cereal box, again, just rest it down. Doesn't really matter, that doesn't have to be underneath. But an empty cardboard box makes a great space in a chamber for sound to move around in. So let's see what this sounds like. That's with the top of the spoon. Let's try the sides. Okay, quite like that sound. Now if you've got a tiny box, like a tea box, you might be worth just opening one side. Like that, because it creates a better sound if you've got one side open. Let's try, it's only little, this one. Still makes a good sound. I think if we can go for a bigger box, it's worth it. So let me try my bigger box. So here I've got a box. Don't worry if you haven't got this size box, any box will do. And I'm just going to open up those. Pop it here. Let's see what it sounds like. And again, I'm going to use the side of my spoons. So don't forget, this is going to be our thunder sound. You can experiment and you can hit any part of the cardboard box. I'm going to put it up this way. So you can get different sounds just out of one cardboard box. And another thing, if you hit very gently with your spoon, you're going to get a quiet sound. Whereas if you hit with quite a bit of force, you're going to get a louder sound. So it's up to you if you like your thunder not too loud or you like it really loud. And that was our thunder. Well done.